have sent you a PDF in your WhatsApp. So you will see that there are some question paper maths. Here the questions are from 2020 to 2022, all the variants. Okay, let's do question number 1. So question number 1. An ordinary fair die is thrown repeatedly until a 1 or a 6 is obtained. Tamane, what type of math is this? Until a 1 or 6 is obtained. So he's okay. Yes. Clear? So probability of success is what? 1 or 6. That means probability of 1 or probability of 6. What is the probability of getting 1? 1 by 6. What is the probability of getting 6? 1 by 6. That is 2 by 6. Clear? So what is the probability of failure? 4 by 6. Clear, Baba? Now, the first question. Find a probability that it takes at least 3 throws, but not more than 5 throws to obtain a 1 or 6. It takes at least 3 throws or not more than 5 throws. So that means what? X will be more than equal to 3, less than, not more than 5, but less than equal to 5. Isn't it? X is more than equal to 3, not more than 5. That means at most 5. Clear? So this is the math of geometry. How did I understand? It says a die is thrown repeatedly until a 1 or 6 is obtained. Clear? So that means it's the math of geometry distribution until a success is obtained. Clear? So that means either x will be equal to 3, or x will be equal to 4, or x will be equal to 5. So 3 means what? For the first 2 trials, there was no success, and then it was a success. X equal to 4, q cube times p. X equal to 5, q to the power 4 times p. So q is 4 by 6 square times p, 2 by 6. It's 4 by 6 cube times 2 by 6. 4 by 6 to the power 4 times 2 by 6. So 0.313. So on another occasion, the die is thrown 3 times. Now the trial is fixed. That means it's a math. Now, from now on, it's the math of binomial distribution. Now the question says the random variable x is the number of times that a 1 or x is obtained, or 1 or 6 is obtained. So what is x? Number of times a 1 or 6 is obtained. That means a success is obtained. Clear? Okay. Draw the probability distribution table for x. So now you need to draw the probability distribution table. Okay. So what is x here? X means the number of, x is the random variable. Number of 1 or 6 is obtained. It means what? Number of success is obtained. Clear? So what is the probability of success? 2 by 6. What is the probability of failure? 4 by 6. So now, and how many throws it was like? Okay. How many times the die was thrown? 3 times. So n equal to 3. So now we need to draw a probability distribution table. So x. So either it will be 3, 2, 1, 0. Then either we'll get 3 success, or 2 success, or 1 success, or no success. Clear? Idrak, any problem? So now probability of x equal to x. Clear? Out of 3 success, like out of 3 throws, there were 3 successes. So what will be the probability of success? Then x equal to, what will be the probability of x equal to 3? So that means 3C3 the success to the power 3 and the failure to the power 0, isn't it? So that is 2 by 6 times 4 by 6. So 360, that means 2 by 6. So 1 over 27. Clear, Baba? This is 1 by 27. Probability of x equal to 2. What does it mean? Out of 3 throws, there were 2 successes. Clear? So it will be 3C2. The success were 2 and failure was 1. So 2 by 6 times 4 by 6. This is 2 by 9. Then probability of x equal to 1. What does it mean? Out of 3 success, there was 1. Out of 3 throws, there was 1 success and failure was 2. So it's 2 by 6 times 4 by 6. It's 4 by 9. So for x equal to 0, you can add all the other 3 distribution probabilities and subtract it from 1. Clear? So 1 minus 1 by 27 minus 2 by 9 minus 4 by 9. So 8 over 27, done. Clear? Now the question says find EX. So what's the formula for finding EX, Faizan? Can you tell me?
1 by B.
Nah,
Also binomial.
it's binomial. NP, or here we have drawn the probability distribution. So it will be what? Summation of XP, isn't it? Summation of XP. So this is a math for probability distribution made. Clear? Because we are calculating how many successes were there out of 3 throws. Clear? So probability of summation of XP. So it will be 3 times 1 by 27 plus 2 times 2 by 9 plus 1 times 4 by 9 plus 0 times 8 by 27. So 3 by 27 plus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9. So it's basically 1. This is not the probability. This is a mean, expected mean. Clear? Okay, question number 2. It says what? The score when the 2 fair 6-sided die are thrown is the sum of the 2 numbers on the upper faces. That means very simple. When you throw 2 fair dice, the sum is the 2 number on the upper faces. So that the probability of that the score is 4 is 1 over 12. That means the sum is 4. Clear? So simple. The sum is 4. So that the probability that the score is 4. That means the sum is 4. So the sum is 4. So how to get the sum? So you are throwing 2 fair dice and the sum will be 4. So what are the cases? Either it will be 2, 2 or 1, 3 or 3, 1. Clear? So what is the probability of having a 2? 1 by 6 times 1 by 6. Clear? 2 fair 6-sided die. What is the probability of having a 1? 1 by 6. What is the probability of having a 3? 1 by 6. Clear? It didn't say anything about this. Not yet. So either it's a 1 or either it's a 3. So 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So answer is 3 by 36. So that is 1 by 12. Clear? Now the question says the 2 dice are thrown repeatedly until a 4 is obtained. Now it's a math of geometry. Clear? So what is the probability of success? Getting a 4. Clear? Which was the probability of success? Getting a 4. So number B. P equal to mainly obtaining a 4. Obtaining a sum 4. That means 1 by 12. So what about the probability of failure? 11 by 12. Clear? Now, find the mean of x. So it's a geometry distribution. X, just I'm writing, x follows geometry distribution. What's the probability of success? 1 by 12. Clear? Okay. So number B, the mean of x. So EX বের করতে হবে. So we have to find EX. So what's the formula for EX in geometry? 1 by P. So 1 by P, 1 over 1 by 12, that's 12. Number C, find the probability that a score of 4 is first obtained on the 6th throw. First obtained on the 6th throw, that means x equals to 6. Clear? So for the first 5 throws, there was no success, and on the 6th throw, there was success. So 11 by 12 to the power 5 times 1 by 12. Is 0.0539. Done. Number D, probability of x is less than 8. So in the geometry distribution, we had a formula about less than, but it was less than equal to. So x is less than 8. What does it mean? It means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I can also write x is less than equal to 7. Clear? So it was less than equal to 7. That means 1 minus q to the power 7. So 1 minus q is 11 by 12 to the power 7. So 0.456. Is it okay, Baba? Clear? Next. Question number 3. In a certain large college, 22% of the students own a car. 3 students from the college are chosen at random. So, say what type of math? Binomial. Clear? Because owning a car is 22%, not owning a car will be 1 minus 22%. Now 3 of the students are chosen. That means the trials are fixed. That means it's a math of binomial. Clear? So n equal to 3. Owning a car, that is 0.22. Not owning a car, 1 minus 0.22. 0.78. Find the probability that all 3 students own a car. All 3 students will own a car. So x will be equal to 3. So out of 3 students, 3 students will own a car. So there will be 3 success, 0 failure. Clear? So that is 0.22, 0.78.
0.0.
So 0.010, 0.0106, at least in 3 figures. How come it's one? Up.
7.
See?
7 like 0.0107.
না আবার চেক করো
এখানে
PC 3.22 cube হাফ কি যে বলো so it's 0.0648. Now we have to take 3 figures, তাই না? So what will be the 3 figures? 0.0106. It's not 5 or more than 5, so why am I adding 1? Then you have to write 465. You can't write 7. How come you can't? So you are taking the 3rd place. Clear? So as you are taking the 3rd place, you are consider the 4th place. If the 4th place is 5 or more than 5, then you will be 1 will be added with the 3rd place. Clear? Done. Next question number B. 16 students from the college are chosen at random. So 16 students. So n equal to 16. Yes.
0.7999. It gives a 3 simply.
0.7999 is already in 3 figures.
No.
Okay, 0.7996.
999.
Okay, 0.799999. So now we have to write in 3 figures. So 0.800. Okay, so n equal to 16. Now find the probability that the number of these students who own a car is at least 2, maximum. At least 2. That means owning a car will be at least 2. So what you're trying to find? X should be more than equal to 2 and at most 4, maximum 4. Less than equal to 4. That means either X will be equal to 2 or X equal to 3 or X equal to 4. Now find the values and tell me the answer. That means out of 16, there was 2 success, 14 failure. Out of 16, there were 3 success, 13 failure. Out of 16, there were 4 success, 12 failures. What the answer? So Nusra, what the answer?
Sir, give me a minute. 1 second.
Have you got your answer? Can you tell me your answer?
No, I'm typing it in the calculator.
No, I'm asking Gio. Gio, can you tell me your answer?
0.631.
Yes, I got the same answer. 0.631. Isn't it easy? So from the next class, we're going to start our new chapter, the last chapter. Okay, question number 4. Ready? Kyla. Kyla is competing. So Nusra, the answer is 0.631. Numar, have you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So question number 4. Kyla is competing in a throwing event. A throw is counted as a success if the distance achieved is greater than 30 meters. So now the success is defined as achieving a distance greater than 30 meters. Clear? The probability that Kyla will achieve a success on any throw is 0.25. Okay. So what is P here? Distance greater than 30 meters. No, you don't have to mention even. The probability of success is 0.25. That's a simple thing. Probability of success is 0.25. So what about the failure? Probability of failure 0.75. Now number A. Find the probability. Find the probability that Kyla takes more than 6 throws to achieve a success. So now, in this math, what are the number of trials? More than 6. So is infinity. That means what? It's a math from geometric distribution. Clear? So that means X follow geometric distribution. Just I'm writing. What is the probability of success? 0.25. Because no trial has been mentioned. Clear? That means this is the math from geometric distribution. So what is the probability? Probability of X should be more than 6. So I can just apply the formula directly, q to the power 6. So that is 0.75 to the power 6. So 0.178. Number B. Find the probability that for a random sample of 10 throws, so now the trial has been fixed. Clear? So now it's a math of binomial distribution. Kyla achieves at least 3 successes. So for n equal to 12, Kyla achieved at least 3 successes. That means X should be more than equal to 3. Clear? Now, Atik, if I ask you, what values of X are missing? X is more than equal to 3. So what values of X are missing? अच्छा, Fatima? Okay. हाँ. Now, these are not missing. You have to find the probability of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what values of the observation are missing? That is 0, 1, or 2. That means I'm going to subtract the probability of 0, 1, and 2 from 1. Is it clear, Baba? So 1 minus probability of 0, probability of 1, and probability of 2. So we can do this calculation directly from the calculator. Here. So Faizan, kindly share your answer. Okay, so out of 10 through, there was 0 success. So that is 0.25, 0.75 to the power 10. Out of 10 through, there is 1 success and 9 failures. 0.25, 0.75. Out of 10 through, there were 2 success. So 0.25, 0.75. So now we can directly do this math from the calculator. We are taking binomial CD variable. There are 2, n is 10, p is 0.5. Is it clear? Clear? Question number 5. Yes.
Sir, I'm taking 0.474.
474 up. Number 5. So let's do. A fair six-sided die with faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is thrown repeatedly until a 4 is obtained. Same math. Geometry distribution. Find the probability that obtaining a 4 requires fewer than 6 throws. That means x is less than 6. That means what we're going to try to find. X is less than or equal to 5. That will be 1 minus q to the power 5. Isn't it? Next, on another occasion, the die is thrown 10 times. So now it's a math of binomial. Find the probability that a 4 is obtained. Okay, which one is the probability of success? Obtaining a 4. That is 1 by 6. So failure will be 5 by 6. We can do this math, isn't it? Anna? Next. Question number 6. An ordinary die is thrown until a 6 is obtained. So it's a math of geometric. So probability of success is getting a 6. So what is the probability of success? 1 by 6. What is the probability of failure? 5 by 6. Find the probability that obtaining a 6 takes more than 8 throws. So x is more than 8. So what is the formula, Sahir? X is more than 8.
1 minus q to the power. Q to the power 2.
Q to the power q to the power. What's that? Like after doing a lots of math, now you're just saying 1 minus q to the power.
Q to the power.
What? Q to the power? The answer is not written on the copy. So q to the power? Q to the power 8. Expected. So 2 fair dice are thrown until a pair of 6 is obtained. That means it's a math of geometry distribution. So now the question is expected value of x, ex by power. What's the value of ex? Formula for ex? 1 by p done. P is the probability of success of getting a 2 pair of 6. Clear? What is the 1 by 36? Clear? Getting a 2 pair of 6 is the probability of success. Samara, I'm too much disappointed. Find the probability of obtaining a 2 pair of, that means obtaining a pair of 6 means what? Obtaining the success. Now, let's read the question in a different way. Find the probability that obtaining success takes either 10 or 11 throws. That means what? X will be equal to 10 or x will be equal to 11. We can do it, isn't it? Next, moving to the next question. A fair spinner with 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A fair spinner. That means each one has a probability. Each one has the same probability. Clear? That means 1 by 5. The score on each spin is the number on the side on which the spinner lands. That means the score will be the on which number the spinner lands. Okay, number A. Find the probability that a score of 3 is obtained for the first time on 8th spin. Now, it didn't mention that it's a until I'm spinning the spinner until it's a 3. No, it didn't mention that, but it says that in another way that find the probability that a score of 3 is obtained and for the first time on the 8th spin. That means which distribution is following? Geometric. So x will be equal to 8. Clear? Find the probability that fewer than 6 spins are required to obtain a score of 3 for the first time. So now it didn't mention any number of trials. Clear? So it's a math of geometry. Clear? It says that fewer than 6. Fewer than 6 means fewer than 6 spins are required to obtain a score of 3. Obtain a score of 3, let's read like this. Obtain a success. Fewer than 6 spins is required. Fewer than 6 spin. That means x is less than equal 5. Clear? So it will be 1 minus q to the power 5. Done. Clear?
6C.
6c.
Geometry.
Now, 2 ordinary fair dice are thrown until a pair of sixes is obtained, until a success is obtained. Right? Now, find the probability that success takes either 10 throws or 11 throws.
Sir,
Yeah.
এটা মানে এটা হচ্ছে যে success is obtained on the 10th or 11th row. তো আমার কাছে তো geometry কিনা
It is geometry, it's not binomial. No, I didn't. I just heard it's a binomial. I think it is geometric. It's not a binomial. Next, question number 8. A ordinary fair die is thrown repeatedly until a 5 is obtained. Geometry. The number of throws taken is denoted by random variable x. Find the mean of x. So we have to find the expected mean of geometric distribution. That is 1 by p. So which one is the probability of success? Until a 5 is obtained. That means getting a 5 is probability of success. That is 1 by 6. Is it okay, Baba? Find the probability that the 5 is first obtained on the after the 3rd throw, but before the 8th throw. How are you going to do it? So let's do this math. So what is the probability of success? Getting a 5. So that is 1 by 6. So probability of failure is what? 5 by 6. So number B, it says that 5 is obtained on the 3rd throw, but before the 8th throw. That means what? Can I write like this? After the 3rd throw. Oh, sorry, after the 3rd throw, sorry. So it says that the find the probability that a 5 is obtained, first obtained after the 3rd throw. That means x should be more than 3, and before the 8th throw, x is more than 8. Less than 8, x is less than 8. Before the 8th throw, that means x is less than 8. So what does it mean? Can I write like this? More than 3 means what? 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So it will be probability of x is more than equal to 4, less than equal to 7, isn't it? Right? So can I do like this? Probability of x is less than equal to 7 minus x is less than equal to 4. Yes, can I do like this? Yes. Then, so we don't have to do a long calculation. Clear? We will take, so the question says, find the probability from 0 to 7. From 4 to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what I'm trying to get, I'm trying to get the probability up to 7. Clear? Then subtracting from 4. Probability up to 4. Clear? So I can write like this, 1 minus q to the power 7 minus 1 minus q to the power 4. So it's basically q to the power 4 minus q to the power 7. Done. So 5 by 6 to the power 4 minus 5 by 6 to the power 7. Or you can do the maths in as usual form, as usual style. Clear? Either it will be 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can do it in that way. Can I? Number 8 done.
It would be CG.
See, find the probability the first 5 is obtained fewer than 10 through. It's very easy. X is less than 10. That means X is less than or equal to 9. Clear? Next. Question number 9. Every day, Richard takes a flight between Aston and Beijing. On any day, the probability that the flight arrives early is 0.15. The probability that flight arrives on time is 0.55. And the probability that flight arrives late is 0.3. Find the probability that on each of 3 randomly chosen days. So 3 randomly chosen days. So what does it mean? What type of distribution it is? Binomial, where n is 3. So it says that on a 3 randomly chosen days, Richard's flight does not arrive late. Does not arrive late. Either it's early or it's on time. Does not arrive late. Clear? So the probability of success is not arriving late. Clear? Not arriving late. So that means late flight. Or I can do like this. What is the probability of arriving late? 0.3. So it will be 1 minus 0.3, isn't it? That is 0.7. Or you can do what? Early or on time. Clear? Or we can do like this. Probability of early plus probability of on time. You will get the same answer. So early is 0.55, sorry, 0.15 and plus 0.55. That is also 0.7. The probability of success is 0.7. Clear? So probability of failure will be 0.3. So find the probability that on each of 3 randomly chosen days, Richard's flight does not arrive late. That means this was always either early or on time. So that means what? For the 3 days, it was early or on time. So it will be x will be equal to what? 3. X will be equal to 3. So now we are trying to find x is equal to 3. That means out of 3 days, there will be 3 successes and there will be 0 failures. So there is 0.7 to the power 3, 0.3, 0.7 to the power 3. The answer is 0.343. Find the probability that for 9 randomly chosen days, Richard's flight arrives early at least 3 times. For a 9 randomly chosen days. So what type of math it is? Binomial. N equal to 9. Richard's flight arrives early. So now the probability of success is what? Arriving early. Clear? So probability of success is arriving early. So that is 0.15. The failure will be 0.85. At least 3 times. So x is more than equal to 3. So what we can do, 1 minus probability of x is 0, 1 or 2. Is it clear, Baba? Easy? Easy. So we are almost done with the topic. Yes, Baba? Sure. Put this. So for this type of math, find the smallest value of n. I'm gonna make a video. and I'm gonna post it here. Or you can do these maths at home. Clear? Read, you'll understand. Here, we have done this one type of math before. Find the least value of n. It's a binomial. Here, so try to solve these maths before our next class.